So let's look at this first example on how to determine YC. Yeah, I think this is the simplest example. So the first thing you do, you can say let m be equals to dy all over dx. So this will be m squared minus 6m minus 7 will be equals to 0. So you look for the factors of m and m1 and m2. You can decide to, if you see that there are no two factors, which when you multiply you have 7, and when you add you have negative 6. Two factors which when you multiply you have negative 7, and which when you add you have negative 6. That will be 7 and negative 1, because when you multiply negative 1 times 7 you have 7, and when you add negative 1 plus 7 you have negative 6. So it's 7 and negative 1. Or if you cannot still get it very fast, you can just say let your m equals to negative b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this will, your m will be equals to negative b. Here's your b. So your b will be plus 6 plus or minus the root of 6 square. Though if you put negative 6 square, but it's okay. So minus a is 1, and your c is negative 7 divided by 2 into 1. So your m will be equals to 6 plus or minus the plus or minus 8 over 2. So that your m will be 6 plus 8 divided by 2, which is 7, gives you 14, plus divided by 2 gives you 7. That's your m1, and your m2 is equals to negative 1. 6 minus 8 divided by 2 will give you negative 1. So the factors here is m minus 7 and m plus 1. So your m1 equals to 7 and your m2 is equals to negative 1. So according to the equation, we have our yc to be equals to, you see that these are real, this is real, but different roots, because this m1 is not the same as m2. So it will be a e to the power m1, and m1 is 7x plus b e to the power negative x, and that will be your answer. So when you verify 4.2, number 1, this is the full equation. We go to 4.2. 4.2, number 1, you have equals to a e to the power 7x plus b e to the power negative x, which is the same here. A e to the power 7x plus b e to the power negative x.